the Samal, Garden Island of Samal, that we will finish it before the end of the president's term. That is the commitment of the president to the people of Davao and the people of Samal.
Yes, sir.
I will go there now just to check it. Pero tingin ko I am confident na yung Davao-Samal Bridge, matatapos yan at madadaanan yan bago matapos ang termino ng ating Pangulong BBM.
Sir,
So, ang original na delay kasi yan, no? Dahil sa right of way, dahil sa maraming mga delay. Initially, sinabi nila sa akin, baka end of 2028 pa matatapos. Pero, we are confident now na kinausap ko na yung kontratista, kinausap ko na ang mga engineers natin. Kaya yan matapos before the end of the term ni PBBM.